The NVISEN GX06 mini PC is a compact powerhouse that packs a punch in a small form factor. With its Intel Core i9-12900H processor and NVIDIA RTX 4050 GPU, this mini PC is designed for productivity and light gaming. The 14-core CPU ensures smooth multitasking, while the RTX 4050 handles esports titles and moderate gaming at 1080p. It also comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, offering plenty of speed and storage for everyday tasks. Whether you're editing videos, streaming, or gaming, the GX06 delivers solid performance in a sleek, Mac Mini-inspired design. When it comes to connectivity, the GX06 doesn't disappoint. It features HDMI 2.1, Dual DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C for triple-screen support, making it ideal for multitaskers. You also get Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.5G Ethernet for fast and reliable networking. The ports are neatly placed on the back for a clean, minimalist look, though this might be inconvenient for frequent plug-and-play users. The cooling system, with its raised bottom and side vents, promises efficient heat dissipation, though its performance under heavy workloads remains to be tested. Priced at $820, the GX06 offers excellent value for its specs, but there are a few caveats. The RTX 4050 is an entry-level GPU, so don't expect to run AAA games at ultra settings. Additionally, since it's sold via direct import, warranty support might be limited, and buyers could face import fees. Overall, the GX06 is a great choice for those who need a portable, versatile mini PC for productivity and light gaming, but hardcore gamers might want to look elsewhere.